In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a PDF in Microsoft Edge. By the end, you'll know how to open a PDF in Edge, add text, draw or sign, highlight, leave comments, and save your changes with confidence. Start by opening your File Explorer and locating the PDF you want to work on. If you're not sure where it downloaded, check your Downloads folder, or use the search bar and type the file name or .pdf to narrow results. Once you've found it, we'll open it in Edge. Right-click the file, choose Open With, and select Microsoft Edge. If Edge is already your default PDF viewer, a simple double-click will do. When the PDF opens, look to the toolbar at the top. That's where all your editing tools live. Keep in mind, Edge is great for annotations and adding new content, but it won't change the original text or images that are baked into the PDF. To add text, click the T icon in the toolbar. Then click anywhere on the page to place a text box. Type your content and adjust the font size, color, and letter spacing so it looks clean and readable. Pick a color that contrasts with the background for clarity, and use short lines or labels if you're filling in forms or adding notes. To draw or sign, select the pen icon. Choose your pen color and stroke thickness, then click and drag to write or sketch. This is perfect for signatures or quick markups. If you're on a touch device or using a stylus, you'll get more precise control, but a mouse or trackpad works fine too. To highlight important details, select the highlighter icon and drag across the text you want to emphasize. You can switch colors and thickness to create a simple color coding system. On scanned PDFs, highlighting behaves more like drawing, so you may want to use a thicker line. If you make a mistake with drawing or highlighting, choose the eraser icon to remove those annotations. This only affects what you've added. It won't erase the original PDF content. To leave comments, highlight a section of text, right-click, and choose Add Comments. Type your note and save it. Comments are handy for reminders, feedback, or collaboration, and you can revisit or edit them later. When you're done, click the floppy disk icon to save and overwrite the current file. If you want to preserve the original, click the disk icon with a pencil and use Save As to create a copy with a new name and location. That way, you can always go back to the untouched version. That's it. Simple, clear, and effective editing in Microsoft Edge.